Hello students, in the previous videos we have already discussed some topics on computer system. Now in this video let us learn new topics including data capturing, storage and retrieval, data deletion and recovery. Now let us have a look at each of these topics. That is the topic about data capturing, storage and retrieval. Data capturing involves the process of gathering data from different sources. So in the previous videos I have discussed with you about the input devices. So when we want to gather data or information from different sources, we use input devices. So the input that are being captured or the data that are being gathered are actually gathered by the input device, and those data are stored in a storage device which we already discussed. So these data that are being stored are also being processed. So we also discuss about processing. These data, after being processed, they can be displayed as output in a particular format to the users. So whenever we want to retrieve those data, that means those data will be displayed in a particular format as we want. So data capturing involves the process of gathering data from different sources. The data may be captured using keyboard, barcode readers, and some other input devices that we already discussed. So here you can see one of the example is capturing data using a barcode reader. So remote sensors on Earth orbiting satellites extra are also one of the example of capturing data. Next is storage. Data storage is the process of storing the captured data for processing later. So after the data are being captured by the input device, they are actually stored in the storage devices. So we have learned about memory, so you can refer the previous videos whereby I already discussed about the data storage. In large organizations, the data are usually saved in the data servers. So the huge storage area are known as the servers. So whenever we want those data that are being stored to be, if we want to access those data, that means we are retrieving those data. Data retrieval involves fetching the data from storage device, or if you want to search the data from the storage device, that is known as data retrieval. Next is data deletion and recovery. Many of us, many times we want to delete something, but sometimes we don't want to delete those data that we have stored in the storage area. So that means that sometimes the data are being deleted accidentally. So if those data are being deleted accidentally, or maybe you delete it by yourself but you want to get back later, that is known as recovery. So deleting the data can be done accidentally also. And there are usually two security concerns. When the data recovery is being done, that means the process of retrieving the deleted data, that means the data that are being deleted by us or the data that were corrupted and loss from secondary storage device. There are two security concerns associated with this. One is that if deletion is being done by some unauthorized person or software, and the one is the unwanted recovery of data by unauthorized user or software. Deletion by some unauthorized person of software concerns can be avoided by limiting access to the computer system by using passwords. So we can use password in order to avoid the access of the data by unauthorized person. And similarly, if we want to recover those data, so we can use the shortcut key, that is Shift plus Delete key from the keyboard, to delete permanently the file. So here we have learned about data deletion and recovery, but before that we already discussed data capturing, storage and retrieval. I hope you understand whatever we have discussed in this video, and you can refer the NCERT textbook for your reference. Thank you for watching.